shack, then I'm flipping the birdie. I know that you heard me, a lot of y'all worried. I'll step in the game and if you gon' get buried, retire your jersey, you know that I'm worthy. Take over shit and get done in a hurry. No judge of the jury, won't show us no mercy, but fuck the law, the court can't hurt me. Back up in this bitch, nigga. Damn right, I'm still breathing. And when the Lord called my name, I stand. It's the only time I'll be leaving. Feeling changed like the seasons, but I still one of the reason why she left me in pain. With this could be the same, but I guess she just don't see it, girl. I'm saying. Lord, I'm trying to make a way. I know you notice. Stay up at them streets, cause they the coldest. Trying to make a way. I know you notice. Stay up at the streets and just stay focused. Yeah, try to stay focused. They gon' try to pull you down. Remember that you gotta stay focused. Yeah, try to stay focused. They gon' try to pull you down. Remember that you gotta stay.
So when you see me, nigga, don't ask me for shit. I work all fucking day. Nah, real shit. I work all fucking day. From what time? From here. I don't see the break right now, man. I probably see the sun. In 35 days, man. First I put heaven by your side.
Gotta stay. Every day, niggas really get bigger and bigger.
Hey, what's up, Chris? Listen, I'm pretty pumped about the songs I got for you today. First up, some music you've been coming back to. Gonna start with
that's the wrong screen. Let's check it out here. Fix that. There's the right screen. There we go. Where's the other camera at? It's not on? Good morning, guys. Let's do some trading. Okay. Oh shit. It's too big. Let's turn that down. Check. We're good, eh? Bitcoin. Good morning. Says the Bears. Oh. Okay, market open. Bears are in control, guys. We've been somewhat calling this for months. This is coming back down. I'm sorry to say, guys, the bull market's over. Bull market is over. You're looking at probably a crash down into this zone, you're at minimum, this is a minimum, absolute minimum, is going to be a 35% crash, okay? Oh, I like the look of this stream. Okay, good. I like how everything's set up now. This looks beautiful. I should get some sort of border, hey? Maybe. Nice, okay. Cool. What's up, Aladdin? What's up, weeded people? Okay. So, okay, here's the two thoughts on Bitcoin. One is we are coming back to retest the start of this move, okay? We have never gone back below the previous market's all-time high in a bear market. Once the monthly candles turn bearish, that's when we're in a bear market, right? So here we entered that zone, boom, bear market, okay? And then we crashed, proceeded to crash what, like 70%? 75%, whatever. Who cares? It's only 80%, right? Anyways, boom, next time we're in a bear market. Right there, okay? Close back within. Monthlies. Monthlies are what you look for the bear market. 80% on that one, okay? Previous market. I wonder if they even have it on here. They don't have it on here. Who cares? It's been the same every single time, okay? So, guess what this is? Boom. It's a bear market. It's a bear market. You have 2 days left in the month. Monthly candle's going to close shit. You're looking at a 70% crash. But Bitcoin ETFs, right? So, you know what? Here's your levels. You got one here. This shit's all tested, okay? So if it doesn't hold there, it's coming here. Right? And that seems pretty reasonable to me. A 60% crash after the ETFs are out. I would say that's a really high likelihood chance. You probably see something. This is my guess, right? Hold in here. We see a flash crash within the month, wicks up, and then that's the start of the next bull market, okay? I think the markets are not going to be 4 years anymore. I think they're going to be much more closely related to the NASDAQ. So a bear market is not a huge daunting thing anymore. This is my expectation at this point, okay? Let's look at the NASDAQ. See if we make some money today instead of talking about next year's money. What do we got here? Crash on the open. I'm essentially saying 45K Bitcoin in a month for Bitcoin. That is nothing of what I just said. Do I need to resort back to insults on my stream? Within a month? No. I said, I'm going to repeat this because I'm such a nice guy. Monthly candle's going to close bearishly, most likely. You have 2 days left, okay? If it closed back above 93, we're safe to continue to 150, which was the original target, right? I had exited in the 100K area and then just kind of played the range. I ended up taking a loss after this dump, okay? I do lose too. Right? Next. This is the minimum spot. It's for sure going here, okay? But if we are in a bear market, we usually see a 70 to 90% drop. I don't think it's going to be that large this time because of the ETFs. I think 60% is reasonable. The next level down is this one that's right around that area. You also have a level here. Okay? Let's put possibly 12 months just to see. Because these levels might be useful for us now. Hey, would you look at that? 45K coincidentally resides right around the yearly level 2. Wow, would you look at that? Here's another level, by the way. Okay, these are your levels. This is the zone it's going to, okay? I don't think it's going to hold that area for a long time. I think your optimal buying zone is here, and you're going to have a slight opportunity here. That's my guess if I had to guess, but I have no clue. We're going to react based off what it does. Right. All right. It's been a day since I've traded. So let's look. Boom. By the way, guys, I think tomorrow... Gingerbeard's in the house. Thanks, man. I got a fucking laptop right here that I need to set up still. Hopefully, I can set that up in the next day or two. Next week on Tuesday night... So Wednesday at midnight GMT. Tuesday night, I'm starting a 24-hour stream. We're going to stream every single session, non-stop. Giveaways non-stop. By the way, if you guys want a giveaway, you can look in the Maven Discord. There's a way that you can get them in there. That's a good level. It's already been tested. You can see the failure on the 1 hour, causing us to go to the downside. Yep. That would have been an obvious one on the open. Shoot. Oh well, a million more opportunities. I need to start streaming earlier, don't I? So what's next? Oh. We want to wait for that 15 close now. It looks pretty dang good, though. We're about to have a 5. We might want to just scalp the... Because I'm just trying to get... You think we could scalp that? For a 200? We just want quick scalps on this one. Might be able to just take that momentum and make to $200. Oh, I can change my fate. We'll see what this does. Should buy right here and go to a new high, hopefully. We'll DCA here.
Order filled.
See what we can do. We only want the $200, so.
Order filled.
See if we can just push one more new high. You're just doing this shit for fun. Yeah, basically, yeah. What is that bullshit? I lost 150 on that? That doesn't make sense. That was definitely in profit. Well, looks like we're going to blow that account. Nice. You got one more opportunity to buy off of here.
Order filled.
And $300. See if we can get out. No, there's it going. Sweet. Okay, cool.
Cheers to
It was
Connor
coming back
Price
from a
for that.
4-hour candle.
Gonna keep it going now. On first is a song from Felix Yin, whose tunes stir up a whole range of feelings with his deep house beats and remixes. Take a listen.
What do you mean a 4-hour candle? Yeah, we were just trying to ride the momentum. The thing with trading on prop firms is like you can do dumb shit like this, right? You don't need to like you just take high probability trades. That's it. Because you're only shooting for minimums most of the time. I'm not sure why the account's not blown yet, but Are they gonna let me keep it? That would be really unfortunate if it only went under by like $20 or whatever.
Order filled.
Maybe they didn't notice. Maybe they didn't notice. I think there's probably like an algorithm that catches it every 15 minutes or something. Let's see. Cuz it went under by like $20. We still need to make that $200 though. So the question is it smart? Is it still a long opportunity? I don't think so anymore. I think after that close is pretty shit, so 15. Yeah, that looks kind of shit, so it's probably smarter to short, honestly. I think we could short it.
Order filled.
Let's see if we short it. Just see if we can make that 200 really quick. We already lost the account. Technically. It's gonna go up now. This is hilarious, hey? That's a bearish close for sure. Is it true that you can trade every day? Yeah, you can trade every day and be fine. You have to be very good, though. You have to be super, super aware of your emotions. I'm entering the day today with more of a carefree emotion, which can cause damage, right? Oh, this is dumb. It's not gonna scalp, man. It's retarded.
Order filled.
It's not scalping. We're gonna have to all in on that later. Okay. You said home data sales? New home sales? Yeah, that actually might cause something. The market's been so fucked lately that like the consumer index and everything has been pretty bad. Trump has been speaking every day, hasn't he? Yeah, that would have been fucking hilarious if we just blew the account immediately again too. Okay, let's look at the market. Can I explain DCA? It just means adding to a trade. That's it. It means dollar cost average. Do a giveaway? No. You can get them in the Discord. So a full margin and DCA at the same time. So with prop firms, my strategy is I'm willing to lose the account every single trade pretty much. Sometimes I cut it because like I have control, right? But the reality is every single time I enter a trade, I'm not risking 2%. I'm potentially risking the entire thing, okay? I set it up so that if it goes against me, my stop loss is the account. That way, I pretty much never lose. I still close for losses. Like I like here, right? Literal example. I could have just blown that account, right? There's barely any money left. Who gives a shit? But after here, I knew it was gonna go up, right? And I'm watching the 1 minute, so I knew I was gonna blow it. So I just exit. Like the market tells you exactly what's going to do always. Sometimes it changes its mind, right? So you just have to adapt with it. And that's the way that you want to look at it. Is you don't you don't just follow a strategy blindly. You learn how to read it, okay? And it just tells you what it's doing. Literally always. It tells you what it's going to do next. You can make assumptions about the future, kind of how we were with Bitcoin here, right? We can make assumptions, but it's always going to tell you what it's going to do next. So based off of my experience, my prediction was, what was it? It was the thing we were explaining, right? But we know it's going to go here for sure, right? So you always know the next move. And that's what trading is just reading what the chart's going to do next and then changing your mind based off of what you read. So basically having no ego attached to your trades and never saying, hey, I'm smarter than the market, I can figure this out. No, you're not fucking smarter. You just read what it says and then follow. That's it. The market is the higher power that you are praying to. And you need to learn how to communicate effectively with it, right? It is all-knowing almighty. All you do is sit there and follow orders and have no ego attached to your ideas because you are wrong. You are wrong. Do I teach? Well, only on here for free. If anyone messages you and says, hey, send me some money, I'll teach you. That's not me. Somebody else pretending to be me. The only opportunity is if you want me to teach you is if you have a stupid amount of money. Like, I'm talking like you have 6 figures sitting doing nothing. Okay, then sure, send me 10 grand and I'll teach you. But anything, like, it's not worth my time other than that. I only want rich people. Because then I don't feel bad when they can't figure it out. People who take money, like, if I took money from, like, your last dimes in the aspirations that you guys would make money trading, I would be scamming you. Because even me teaching you one-on-one, I would say 90% chance you're not going to be able to do it. Bro is the worst trader and claiming he's the best trader. Right. I've live streamed for the past 5 months straight. All of my profits have been shown on stream. Name a streamer who has done that has proven profitability over the past 5 months. Using a firm that is not modifiable by themselves. So I did it all on Top Step. I also did one on My Funded Futures, but I didn't live stream that. Why did Maven remove API? Because of scammers. Cheaters. Guess what? Cheaters ruin it for the fun for the rest of us. Okay. 4-hour close gonna be soon. Profitable and streaming almost every day. Tom Hogard. Nice. Okay, good. Not heard of him. And that's probably a good thing. The fact that I've not heard of him is probably a good thing. Because the thing is, there's two skill sets in this industry. One is being a fucking flamboyant spaz, right? Those are the Patrick Waylands and the Mamba FXs and whatnot. These spaz type characters that just like freak out and cause drama or do insane things to build attention, right? And that skill set is the exact opposite of what makes you a good trader. So practicing being a spaz is a good way to ruin your piece so that you can't trade. I'll tell you this for sure. The more content I do online, the more live streaming, the more this shit, the worse trader I become. If I wanted to be a really, really good trader, I would never teach you guys anything. I would never be online. I would never do anything online. Used to be able to trade with a bot. There's no bots on Match Trade, bro. API's never been active. Bots went away when MetaTrader went away. Can you agree that the dump wasn't predictable? No, it was obvious. I would have taken it. if I was up 5 minutes earlier. It's the unfortunate thing being on the West Coast is I rush to the computer in the morning. Grateful for the streams, yeah. I don't need more money, so me becoming the best trader ever is not a huge deal for me. And streaming, I don't charge anything either, so I prefer being a pretty good trader, or as the stream says, the best trader in the world, of course. And then streaming to you guys and having fun. So the dump on the open, all you have to do is look at the 1 hour. 11. It's a failure. So failure to make a new high. You target new lows, which is this, right? The next level down would have been probably this. This would have probably been your target, honestly, on the very open. So very, very open. Yeah, wait 1 second. Oh, maybe it was already there. Yeah, then I guess maybe not. Yeah, maybe not predictable. On the pre-market, this dump would have been obvious. The level that they ended up going for is this one, of course, right on the 1 hour. Or that gap, rather. Whatever you want to call this. Right, but this was the immediate level, okay? So we knew it was going down, we just didn't know if it was this level or this level, right? So it was already satisfied, so it could have gone the other way. This looks like it's going to be a failure on the 4 and we'll continue the upside. So we'll see in 1 minute. What I'm going to do on this account is I'm just going to YOLO it and see if we can get out of whatever we're doing. Once we close the 4, I think. I want to see that 1 hour there too. Yeah, okay, let's do that.
Order filled.
Just let that go then. And where's the 1 hour level? Yeah, here we go. Buy
Order filled.
that one as well. See if it just rockets. We just wanted to buy that level there, and I'm gonna add on this one too. US 100. Okay. And I have this friggin' thing that I'm trying to figure out too. Bar there too. Cool. See if that works. Okay, it has to bounce off that level and then just rock it. We're gonna see if we can YOLO this for some huge profit. Alright. Here's the levels. There's a level, right? And we basically lose where? Oh, we might have, like, basically, I guess we lose if we go below that. I'm not sure how. But the account might have already been lost too. We'll see. We'll see if that goes. What is VWAP here? Why does it say VWAP? This is kind of the trade here. What's the next level up? 4 hour. The reality is you just shoot for new highs. Yeah, that's it. That's all you want to do. That's all you want to do. Let's put a stop loss too. You'll be fine with this long, you know. Probably. The only thing that is holding it back is, I suspect, that level there. I'm hoping the momentum takes it a little bit past. I wouldn't want to be shooting for much more past than this, right? To use stop loss or prefer to close manually. I do manual. Everything's manual pretty much. Stop losses are there in case I forget.
to get along with Kitty. We swooped them now before the Remy. Drop some tracks and now they super friendly.
24-hour live is next week. I'll be live Tuesday night. Look like that 4-hour level rejecting.
Order filled.
There's the violation. Sweet. Okay, cool. What's up?
Warm Brew holding it down. Some of your 2023 top songs coming now. First up, I got Infinite Freedom, a collab between K Motions and Allah. Gives me some of that drum and bass energy. Let's listen.
Where's that stop loss? Is not getting hit or what? What's going on? It's not working. Is it not? Where's the stop loss? Oh, it's a bit lower. I don't want to add to this one. It's just a trade like this. If we close down here, I'm gonna get out. I've overbrewed this tea, man. Super bitter green tea now. I'm a huge tea junkie. It's fucking disgusting now. Okay, this market open is pretty lame actually, I'll tell you that. I'm not liking this open. I lost money. Okay, let's watch the 1 minute and just break it down for you live. There's the target on. There's the target. $3,500. Okay, guys, is that the day or what? We need to watch the 1 minute and see, but there's nothing more to see now. Level's been satisfied. New high's been made. So it's funny how, you know, this is the thing about trading. It's like you can be right always, pretty much. But because of variance in the market and wild wickings, right, you never know exactly where and how far it's going to go. Exactly. But you can know the next move. So we knew it was going to go here, right, to the new high. We didn't know if it was going to bounce off of this, or way down, whatever this is, right? That level, right? Is there 1 hour there or something? Who knows? All right. And because of that, we manage our risk the best we can. But that's why prop firms they blow your accounts all the time, right? Because your drawdown's like fucking 1%, right? Whereas like if you have actual capital, well, fancy you can do what you want now. So the whole goal, guys, this is my ending speech here for you. The whole goal with the prop firm is because you can easily blow accounts because the drawdown requirements are tight. What you do is you trade on prop firms while you learn. You get every single withdrawal. You then throw into a brokerage account on your own personal side. Then that way, once that account gets to $100,000, whatever, then you can start trading on that yourself, right? Then you don't have these massive drawdown restrictions. And you can actually trade properly, and you've been trained how to manage your risk properly, right? The way I trade on a prop firm is not the same way I would trade on my own funds. I'm willing to blow the entire account on the prop firm because it's only, literally, you're only losing like, what is it, like 4 or 5%, right? Which would be I probably wouldn't risk that much on my brokerage account. I'd probably risk like 2, maybe. But it doesn't matter because you need to go faster on the prop firm account. Anyways, that's all. That's a pretty cool setup, eh? That's what everyone says. Okay, so there you go. 15-minute. Now we have new setups here. 15-minute close. Probably going to be continuation to the upside. Next level. So you could take another trade. You could do another boom. Right. And re-enter on the same spot you got out, probably. And where's the next level up? Let's see here. Next level. See if there are any higher time frame levels. Like this one. Higher up there. Yeah, we're going here for sure. That's your exit right here, this zone. Okay. There's the targets. Okay, let's do it. And we'll put a stop loss just because. Generally, smart to keep your stop losses right around 1 hour, but yeah, nice, thanks, Maven Shorts. What's it? Oh, it's. Wait, how do I get it to show my stop loss? I like the other. Which chart's better? This one maybe. Trading View better. So here's the funny thing, you know, we're trading on this and we're making money, but we lost money on the other account, right? It's funny how that works, yeah. Right. How's that for a day? Should I close it in a second? Where's it gonna go? It's going a little bit more. What do you stream on? TikTok, X, YouTube. I've been trying to do it on Instagram. I'm gonna try again on Instagram with the new laptop. Instagram's a piece of poo. It keeps like freezing and then not doing it properly, so. Here we go. Here we go. Right, that's about to hit my, I think that's hitting my meta. Take profit there, so I'm going to close it all out. Oh, yeah. $2.50 on meta. I'm just kidding. Close that, sure. Why not? Shame, shame, shame. I got no more Top Step accounts. I'll get another one another day. We're going to trade just on Maven for a while now. There's the trade. There's the day. 6,500. How do you guys like that, right? Share and retweet. Do whatever you need to do to make me more popular. I love it. I'll keep teaching you guys if you keep making me happy, okay?
Good stuff from Jarris John.
What's up, Honor? Risk manager out of Calgary. Well done.
Next. Here's Supermo.
Thanks, Steve. This might still going, by the way, guys. But I got other things to do, so ciao. Oh, look, you got the peacocks there. You got the peacocks this morning. Nice beat. I like this song.